My child, when the darkness above you feels the heaviest, that is when I send my first ray of light. When you stand feeling completely alone, heaven is still watching over you. Every tear you cry is a prayer to me, and I never ignore it. In the nights when you break down and call on me, I am closest to you. Every closed door is not against you, sometimes I am leading you to something greater. When you reach out in faith, I begin making the impossible possible. Your loneliness is not your punishment, it is your season of preparation. The dreams that shattered, I can rebuild even more beautifully than before. When you fall to the ground in weakness, that is where I begin restoring your strength. Waiting is never wasted. I am preparing miracles even behind the scenes of time. Just as roots grow deep, I am strengthening you from within. Your darkest night often comes just before your most beautiful sunrise. Every whisper of fear is not truth, sometimes it is only trying to stop you. You are not fighting your battles alone. My power stands behind you. The chains that held you back, I have already given you the power to break. Where the world sees an ending, I create a new path. Even in the driest places of your life, I can bring flowing waters again. What I have prepared for you, no one can stop when I open the door. I can heal not only your spirit, but every broken part of you. Your destiny is greater than your fear, so keep moving forward. What you have lost, I can restore with peace, love, and joy. Now is the time to walk not by fear, but by faith. Your past is not your identity. I am creating something new within you. The pain that once held you, release it here today. Every step you take in faith brings you closer to my purpose. When you lose your direction, my hand is still there to guide you. No storm lasts forever. My peace always follows. Your defeat is not your final chapter. I will place a crown of victory upon you. The battle that came to break you will become the testimony that defines you. I did not create you to remain fallen. I created you to rise. When you open my word, you open light for your future. After sacrifice comes rebirth, and I am leading you into new life. My peace is stronger than every fear. True faith is not about escaping the storm, it is about continuing to shine through it. Remember this, your story does not end in darkness, it ends in the light of my promises.